We are also continuing our coverage of breaking news in the case of a couple accused in a quadruple murder in Anderson County. Right now, Amy and Ross Velarde are in jail facing murder charges after the 2015 murders of Amy's mother, Kathy Scott, Kathy's husband, Michael or Mike Scott, Mike's mother, Barbara Scott, and Kathy's mother, Violet Taylor. For nearly a decade, those murders went unsolved until Velarde's arrest in 2023.
Our Maya Payton has been in the courtroom all day. Maya, what can you tell us?
You guys, both Amy and Ross's Velarde's attorneys, they went hard talking about how it would be unfair if both of them were tried together. Now, a large portion of today was spent talking about statements. Number one, who made the statements? And number two, how would those statements impact the other person? Now, the beginning of this whole thing, this first started out with Ross's attorney talking first. He spent and talked at length, walking the court through the facts of the case. The defense claims the case is built on storytelling and theory, not direct evidence. Now, he emphasized that the state has far more statements from Amy Velarde. He handed over 3 statements. He highlights a text from Amy sent to Ross saying, "We should run," and then also comments that Amy allegedly made to a fellow inmate. Now, the state argued that holding 2 separate trials would waste time and also waste resources as well. Now, the state claims the couple acted in concert, acted together so that they should be tried together. Well, obviously, the judge ended up granting that they will be tried separately. I also want to highlight that we thought this whole thing was over until Ross's attorney stood up and made a motion for undue delay. Now, the judge did not grant that. He denied that. Now, coming up, we're going to be talking about what Amy's attorney had to say. We know that her trial is set to start on February 23rd. That was originally the start date for both of them to be tried together. Coming up, I'll have the latest for you at 6 o'clock. I'll see you then. I'm Maya Payton in Anderson County, WYFF News 4.